Today, I'm going to show you how you can use the mobile app to manage your business on the go. Don't you just hate it whenever you miss leads because you're out of the office or away from your computer? Well, using the mobile app, you can get access to all of your contacts, conversations, appointments, payments, and more in order to manage everything from your business right inside your pocket. To get started, you can navigate to mobile app within your sub account and learn more and download the mobile app from this screen. We can either download the mobile app on the App Store, the Google Play Store, or we can invite users inside of our sub account to the mobile app by selecting the user and then clicking Send Invites. When you open the app, you'll land on your home page, which gives you a quick, at-a-glance view of your opportunities, pipeline value, and overall business activity so you immediately know what needs attention. From here, you can customize things like your pinned apps by clicking the edit icon and selecting different tools like your dashboard, calendar, tasks, AI tools, and more, so the tools you use the most are always just one tap away. You can also navigate to any of these apps by simply clicking the apps icon in the bottom right-hand side of the screen. We can then see all of our different apps from insight and productivity, communication, sales, and marketing. Let's get started with a look at our dashboard. From here, we can see information like our sales and pipeline values, our marketing values, such as different campaigns we're running, our sub-account users, contacts, outreach campaigns, and more. Then we can go back and navigate to Conversations, which is next to our Home tab. Here is our one inbox where SMS, email, social media platforms, and more all come together so we can manage all of our conversations in one place. We can see all conversations under Team Inbox, conversations assigned to us under My Inbox, and internal chat messages. We can also create new conversations by clicking the plus icon, then selecting either new direct message, new email, new group message, or new internal chat. We can then select any of these, such as direct message, select one of our contacts, write an SMS or email, and then create this message and send it to the contact. We can also send images and videos using the camera icon and add attachments using the plus icon. We can also call our contacts straight from here using the call button in the top right and navigate to our contact card by simply clicking tap to view contact info. This then lets us see all of our information in regards to this contact, such as their custom fields, tasks, notes, appointments, payments, and documents. Using the Conversation Manager, we can get push notifications whenever our leads reach out to us, and we can manage all of our conversations on the go. If a lead is ready to book a call, you can head over to Calendars to view your schedule, book a new appointment, or reschedule an existing one in just a few taps. You can schedule new appointments by clicking the plus icon and then clicking Schedule Appointment, selecting your contact, selecting your time slot, and then clicking Save. You can also edit appointments by changing the appointment status from things like confirmed to unconfirmed. You can also manage your sales pipelines by navigating to opportunities by going to apps and then selecting opportunities from the sales and operations section. Here we can see all of our opportunity pipelines, search for opportunities at the top, add filters, and manage our opportunity cards straight from this screen using our custom fields. We can manage opportunities by either deleting them or moving them back and forth by selecting different stages in order to move our contact throughout our pipeline. If you need to find something fast, we can go back and use the search icon at the bottom of our screen. This lets us search for contacts across our entire sub-account. Then we can find contacts associated with different opportunities, appointments, and more. To see all of our contacts at a glance, we can navigate back over to Apps and then click Contacts from Communication. Here we can see all of our contacts and our different smart lists that we have within our sub-account. We can manage our contacts, create new contacts by either adding them or scanning business cards, and manage all of our information here. From our contact cards, we can either call or message our contacts immediately right within the app just by tapping the call, message, email, meeting, or charge buttons. Using Charge, we can use our already integrated payment provider from the desktop app right in the mobile app, adding in different products, charging different prices, and assigning payments to customers. And once you have a happy customer, you can always navigate back over to Apps and scroll down to Reputation under Marketing and Growth in order to send out new review requests to your customers using the plus icon in the top right-hand side of your screen. Here you can select contacts, choose modes of sending your reputation request, and then click Send Request in order to collect new reviews. And as always, you can manage every other part of your business right within the app through the Apps page and get notifications right to your device, so you'll never miss a lead no matter where you are. Now you should feel more confident about using the mobile app to manage your business on the go. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching.